Hi, I'm Andreas.
And I'm Steph, and we're from Calibrate Studio.
And today we're going to be showing you how to do scapular retractions in a quadruped position. We're going to be using the yellow mini band, and Steph is going to be my lovely model for today, and she's going to put it around her wrists. So Steph is now in a quadruped position with her knees below the hips and her wrists below the shoulders. And what I'm going to have her do right now as well is to tighten up the core just to prevent the lower back arch, because you want to remove as much strain from there and you want to focus on the shoulder blades. So in order to do this, I'm going to ask Steph to retract her shoulder blades by, imagine squeezing the shoulder blades together without bending the arms. So she's just going to, yep, exactly, move them like that. She's going to hold it there for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you're just going to move the shoulder blades apart again, bring your torso up, maintaining a good neck position so that her head doesn't bob forward or anything like that. And you're going to do this for 4 to 5 reps. Now, the second variation will be just to hold for maybe 2 to 3 seconds and increasing the rep amount to about 10 to 12. So there you go, exactly. As you can see, her elbows aren't bending while she's doing this and the shoulder blades are just retracting. There's a nice neutral spine position and her head isn't going back and forth while she's doing the exercise. There we go. Okay, and thank you for watching.